In this video, I'll show you how to make money on TikTok using affiliate marketing strategy. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. This channel is about affiliate marketing, how to make money online. You can check out other videos on the channel after watching this video, alright? Alright, so just so you know, TikTok is not just for dancing and show your moves and stuff like that. Like the way these teenagers are doing on it, you can make money because the traffic on TikTok is really good. So not just affiliate marketing, but you can do any other business on it. You can sell your product, all right? You can sell courses and stuff like that. All right, so let's get into it. So first of all, I'm going to use Digistore24, just like ClickBank or Amazon, or eBay. So it's up to you. Even if you have Etsy store, you can use this strategy to promote it. So if you don't have an account already, you can create one. All right, so I have a tutorial on it. Let me show you quick. All right, so you scroll down and it's right here, Digistore24, how to create a Digistore24 account. Okay, so you can check it out. So let's go back. So after you create your account, you're gonna have access to this page. All right, so you can promote anything at all, like I told you earlier on. But today I'm gonna promote something from internet marketing and e-business. These are some of the products. All right, so you can go through if you can't find what you want. And Super Affiliate System by John Cristani. This is a high ticket. All right, so this one is Online Millionaire Mystery, and it's $31.03 commission. And trust me, stuff like this, they sell fast because it's not that expensive. Let's check the sales page. So right click open. All right, so this is the sales page. When it comes to online business, this guy is a guru, man. It's simple and you can relate to this sales page. That's another thing we're gonna get to. So I'm gonna close it. But like I said earlier on, you can use any product at all, right? So don't worry much about it. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna click promote. So you're gonna click to highlight, right click and copy, then you close it. So next, create a landing page. So something simple like this. I used Builder to create this landing page. Nice and simple. And on top of that, another product and my YouTube channel. It's just like Linktree. And this is the right way because you know why? I'm going to capture email addresses. And later on, I can promote other products. Because in most cases, people don't buy the first time they land on your page. But if you capture their email addresses, you can remind them by automation or you can promote other offers. Close it just for you to know. But if you don't have the money, you can use Bitly. You scroll down and you're gonna drop your link. Okay, so when you drop your link here, then you click, the link that I just copied. You're gonna just right click, paste it. I don't want to do it. Okay, then you click shorten. Then so for instance, this will be your link right here. Then when you click shorten, it's gonna shorten it like this. After you're gonna copy, right? So when you copy, or if you have a landing page, you're gonna copy this, okay, which is the most important thing. All right, then you're gonna head to TikTok. All right, so what you need to do on TikTok, you just have to grab your phone and just record. Let's say this one, she has a face, she's not even talking, and she's just showing some scripts. And at the end of the day, she will show you where to go when you click on the video. It's just simple to record TikTok videos. See this guy too? All right, so you don't have to be young to use TikTok. All right, so if you don't have the TikTok app, you can download it. It's free. Then when you get it on your phone, just click on it. Just touch it, just to pause it. To check your competitors or the competition, you just have to click on search. Go here, type in make money online or affiliate marketing or whatever your niche is about. Let's say it's about weight loss. You can type weight loss. All right, then you go here. All right, so it helps you to see what your competitors are doing. Then let's say, for instance, if I click on this, I'll pause it. All right, so if you watch it and you like what she's showing, you can just click on the three dots. Okay, so I'll click on it. Then you can comment. All right, but the most important thing is she wants you to go to her home page. So to go to the home page, click on the logo, which is the image. All right, so right here, then you click on this. I'll show you this before I show you mine. Okay, these are all her stuff. All right, so if you're interested in something, let's say you can click on it and you go from there. So I'll go back. To get to your own page or my own page, you just click on the profile photo down right. Then you see this is my home page. So this page is just for tutorials. I don't really use it much. You can create different pages for different niches or different businesses or different profiles. I have the link down here. On this page, I'm telling people three things. This page is about affiliate marketing, how to earn income online, how to start your own business. All right. And if they are interested, see, it brings you back here. And this is my landing page, work from home, how to start a successful online business and make money working from home. All right. Then I have everything, including my disclaimers, especially if you have to promote this on Facebook and stuff like that. Then if people are interested, they click this, boom, then it brings them back here. All right. So this is just like a link tree. That's why I like using my own email marketing software compared to Bitly. So go back. So first of all, when you create your TikTok page, it's gonna be like a normal profile, but you can switch it to business profile. Okay, and to do so, I'll show you. You see the three buttons. You just click on it, then click on manage account, then switch to pro account. All right, the last bar too. Select an account type. All right, so creator is basically for everything, but with that you cannot put link underneath until you have 1,000 followers. Put a link underneath right away, then go with business. Okay, so that's the second option. So I'll click next. All right, so you have to choose a category: art, beauty, brand, education, and all that. Okay, just have to scroll to see which category you fit in. If you can't find your category, you just click on other. But in my case, I'll click on education because I do tutorials on how to run online business. So this is under education. So I'll click education and I'll click next, skip, then click edit profile again. All right, so this time around I have the website. So I'll click on add your website link. All right, so now I'm gonna add my website link. All right, then when you're done, you click on save. Okay, top right. All right, so right now if you want to add instead of photo, you can add change video, but I don't want that. Okay, so you can add your email, non-profit, categories, education, and also if you want to add your Instagram or YouTube video, you can add it. Okay, but I don't want to do that now. But the way you do it, you just click on Instagram. All right, then it's gonna prompt you to enter your phone number and your password to give TikTok access, and your YouTube as well. What I can do, I can add my YouTube link down here and the website, but the focus is to drive people to a landing page just so I can collect their email addresses and market to them later on. Or I can edit my landing page and add the Instagram tab and YouTube tab. I can do it that way as well. All right, so let's go back home. All right, so as you can see, I have my link and this is new, so I don't have following, I don't have followers, I don't have likes. All right, so this is how you create the account. And to upload the video, you just have to click on the plus sign. So allow TikTok to take pictures and record videos. So while using the app, only this time, deny. So I'll see while using the app. Allow TikTok to record audio while using the app. All right, so to record, you click on the red button, and to upload from your phone or from your computer, which is what I prefer, you can edit really nice. All right, because TikTok is all about perfection and transition and smooth sailing video. So I will not advise you to do, instant recording and posting. So if you don't know, you can record 15 seconds and up to 60 seconds video only. So just take note. I'm not gonna upload any videos, so I'll cancel, I'll X out. All right, so to make sure the link is working, I'll click on it. So click on the link. So bam, see, it takes people straight to my landing page. Alright, so here I can add my YouTube link and my Instagram link down below or under the get started button. So I'll go back again. So now I know everything is working. But in some cases, when people click on the link, it's gonna ask them to confirm that they are getting out of the TikTok platform. But it could be because I'm still in the editor, that's why I'm able to go straight. I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok. Alright, check the links in the description below. And okay, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.